This is our homemade instrument that won this award. Automati potentiometric titrator. Fittings, connection LIN. Agitator, temperature electrode. Power recognizer. Host. Titrator slave machine. Rotary injector turntable. Injector mainframe. Plug in the lamp. Turn on the power switch. The instrument atomically finds the position of the position to be measured. Open the software off workstation. Enter username. Enter password. Introduction of workstation software. Traceability, mobile tracking. Set up a single-end electrode bracket, or 16 bits, to 4 bits 40 bits automatic sampler. Build users. Establish users according to US AJAR requirements. Then click Test Data to view. The main experimental methods. Micro-titration, dynamic titration, manual titration, endpoint titration and engine titration. Dynamic titration is the most frequently used. Titration for unknown samples. Micro-titration. Set a small amount to titrate. The minimum sample can be set to L microliter. Manual titration. We can stop titration at any time. Endpoint titration. For example, conventional titration. Set to pH equals 8. It reaches the finish line automatically at this time. After choosing the titration mode, you can edit the corresponding experimental methods. The corresponding reagent, as well as the reagent, concentration, burette volume, then save the method. Test. After the test information is input completely, call the corresponding titration method. You can start titrating. These impulses should be put into the sample QPOF automatic sampler. Here are the reagents. And then we press Start Titration. It will titrate automatically. Carry out automatic titration according to the method set. 5ys. Automatically after titration, it will automatically form a titration curve.